1999 Ford Ranger XLT 4-wheel drive extended cab automatic transmission Flair Side bed. Tell you, this is a great truck. Served me well. Got me through many of winters when I was up north living in Michigan. And I tell you, I hit that switch, the electronic shift on the fly, I think they call it. Transfer case motor engages, and fortunately those pulse vacuum hubs would work when I needed it. But I'd get me through some snow going down them highways and through those roads and all sorts of craziness. I would say, guys, if you own a truck like this, it doesn't get old by accident. It requires attention and care. Stay up on the maintenance. Follow the scheduled maintenance in the field service manual. You know, Haynes or Chilton or factory if you're able to get one. And just don't abuse the trucks. Use them like they should. And the truck will serve you and last you a long time. You know, I really can't complain. True mileage is really unknown. I bought it. This odometer stopped working on me about 129,000 miles. I estimate after just 1 month shy of 4 years of ownership, I have about 165,000 miles, give or take, if based on regular oil changes. And I mean, I know my regular commute to work is pretty predictable. Yeah. For all you didn't know, you know, the actual bed is fiberglass. So if you, over time, you know, when it cracks, you know, you're gonna have to fiberglass it. But everything else underneath is metal or sheet metal. So you're gonna have to fiberglass it to repair it, and or just get a regular style side bed on there. If I recall, you would probably have to change over the filler neck and get a different tailgate because of the different lengths. But beds are, you know, beds are cheaper. Let's see here. So, other than that, the only major maintenance I did on it was I replaced the left control arm, upper and lower ball joint on it. That was only that. It cost me about $600 or something like that. Changed all the fluids when I picked up the truck. Front and rear differential, tranny fluid and transmission fluid and oil. Change oil every 3 months regardless if it needed or not. Had a misfire on cylinder number 3. Once I figured out that, it was the coil pack. And I just went back to regular Autolite OEM spark plugs as per the Haynes manual. I'd recommend getting that manual and read it and study it. It'll save you a lot of time and energy. Yeah, Haynes, Chilton, or the factory service ones from Ford. You can pretty much fix this truck and maintenance yourself if you have the will or being able-minded. Let's see, what else could I really say about this truck other than it served me well. I'd highly recommend getting an older truck if you're willing to just put a little bit of sweat and a little bit of sweat equity and just take care of her. You know, well, she's meeting. I'm gonna be going on to another owner. The owner says it's gonna be like a camp truck. He leaves it at his campground, and just be a seasonal vehicle. So he said he'll take care of it. So I'm glad. So anyway, it's Ford Ranger XLT 1999 with the automatic transmission with the V6 4.0 engine. Good truck. It won't be my last Ranger. I'll get another one. Alright, you guys have a great Ablecraft day. Be safe out there. And Believe in yourself, and you can fix things and do more than you ever intended. Take care of yourselves.